What is going on, guys? ICEMAN coming at you with another video. This time it's going to be a little bit different. This time I'm going to be making a 3D project, and I'm going to show you guys my step-by-step what I do and then the finished product in the end. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun to do. So this is Autodesk Fusion 360. It's the 3D CAD program I use. It's free for educational use or hobbyists, so go ahead and get it if you are up to it. So you have to mind the black bars on the screen while I'm doing this. I have a ultra wide screen, so the resolution is super wide compared to this, and I am realizing I don't have capture mouse on, so let me get that. There we go, capture cursor. There, now you can see it, so that way you can kind of follow along with where I'm at. Alright, so here we are, we're in Fusion. I'm doing a new project and we're going to insert a photo. This is going to be one that I've gotten, or that it's going to be the design I made, and I shared that on my social medias, so if you are not following me, I highly recommend doing that. That way you can see all of my posts and whatnot. We can get a little bit of a preview of what I'm working on, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and check those out there in the description, both my Instagram and Twitter. So let me go ahead and get this image downloaded and imported here. So download, okay, and now we go select image, and I'm going to go to my downloads, and here it is here, and we are going to, this is going to be the fun part, is me trying to figure out how to work this program. Not work the program, but remember how to use it. Okay, so there we go. There we have the image there, and we can, I need to scroll the other way to zoom in, and we can zoom in and we can see it here. We can build a sketch based off of this. So first thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to the printer, and I'm going to measure the print bed area. That way I know what my max dimensions are exactly in inches. So let's go ahead and jump over to there. Alright guys, this is the 3D printer right here. We're going to go ahead and get the measurements for it. I believe it's a 220 by 220, so for millimeters. So we're going to go ahead and see what it is. I'm going to take my digital calipers almost to the very end. Actually, I think I will. Of course, my calipers are not big enough, but it is 220 by 220. I know what that is for a fact. So it is a 220 millimeter by 220 millimeter base. So I'm just gonna have to make that conversion for myself when I go to do it in the program. So let's get back to that. All right, guys, we're back here in Fusion 365 or 360 Fusion 360. We're gonna go ahead and do a rectangle. We're gonna do 220, tab it, 220, tab it, and that is our build plate size. So we know how big we can make this. So I'm gonna go ahead and there's a canvas here. I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to increase its size quite a bit, actually. Let's see here. Can we increase size? Hello. There we go. So that way we can fit it to the build platform of where I kind of want it. So let's get a good size going here, so that way we can fill out this build platform pretty good. It's going to be a lot of material, but it's definitely going to be worth it, because 500 subscribers doesn't come around very often, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done. So that's where we're gonna place it, and we're gonna build our sketch off of this. So let's go ahead and just start it. Let's move into this corner here. Let's scroll in a little bit more. Let's get right on this corner. Perfect. All right, so we're on the corner there, and we're gonna scroll on out of here, and we're gonna drag it all the way down to this corner, and we're going to make a perfect fit. All right, so there we go. We got that done. I'm just going to go ahead and work on this sketch, and I'm going to come back when I'm ready to talk to you guys. So enjoy this time lapse.
this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Alright guys, we are done. This is the full finished rendering of the play button here. This is what's going to go on my desk, maybe on the wall at some point, who knows. Currently printing off a bunch of stuff, so I just wanted to show you guys everything that I've done here. So let's go ahead and get back into the regular modeling portion. This is the play button here, and I'm going to explode all of the views for you guys so you can see all the different parts. So this is every part that is blue, or I actually printed it off in a minty color. So we're gonna move this out 150, yeah, and then we'll move out the white piece in second here. We'll move this out 75 just so you guys can see all of the different parts, and there we are. So there is all of the parts. Now this is going to be a more difficult print than most of my other prints are, mostly because of this piece here. There is the main body on the outside, and then there's two little bodies for the B and the E. So that's going to be interesting when that gets printed off. The big play button should be easy, no problem. I did a little fillet here to round the corners off as it goes into the white piece. Now the white piece is also going to be a bit tricky too, because these letters got these little inner pieces that'll need to be printed off, and we'll see if my printer is going to be able to do that. But yeah, so that's about it. That's all my modeling there. I hope the time lapse was okay. I don't know if it went really well. I hope it did. But yeah, so I'm going to get to printing, and then I'll see you guys for the assembly. Alright guys, here we are. These are the final product here. So I'll show you this here first. This is the play button itself. Came out nice here. I kind of put in some silver Sharpie in the middle there to maybe make that play part of the button pop a little bit. The lettering for ICEMAN came out pretty well, but the lettering for everything else not so much. But there you are there. You can see it hopefully pretty decent. I'm using a different camera here, so hopefully it's okay. All that's left is to put it together. So let's see if it'll fit. Alright guys, there it is. It is the finished play button there. I hope you get a good view of it. I might do some B-roll here of it so that it's in decent lighting for you guys, but there it is for you guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, go ahead and smash that like button. That way you can show my support. My 500 subscriber plaque here made out of PLA plastic. The frame did have a little bit of an issue. But overall I am very happy with it. It is a 500 subscriber play button for me, and I'm very happy, and it's a good accomplishment for me. So again guys, if you're new here and you like what you see, I do Forza content mostly, but if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do kind of stuff like this every now and again, so just kind of keep a lookout for it. While you're at it, go ahead and turn on those notifications. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video or go live. And I try to go live as much as I can to see or hang out with all my subscribers. So anyway, again, if you liked it, go ahead and leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. It's okay. I'm proud of this. So anyway, thanks again guys for coming out and checking this out. And I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.